Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Happy to see you. I am Atia and anchor of this program. Welcome to our talk show program. Today we are going to discuss on the main drawback in our locality, and here you can see our respective participants. Okay dear viewers, let's introduce them. First of all, on my right has Ms. Sutana. She is the student of Shebu Goft Girls High School. She is in class 9. And next on my left has Miss Nidhi, a student of Ideal Preparatory and High School. She is in class 9. And finally has Miss Majia, a student of Shepu Golf Girls High School. She is also reading class 9. Hi. So dear viewers, let's get started our talk show program on main drawback in our locality. Okay, Ms. Sujana, what is the main drawback in our locality?
Thanks for asking. There are many drawbacks in our locality. I find that load shedding is the main drawback in my locality. Nowadays, load shedding has become a buzzword in our country. Load shedding happens when the demand is greater than the generation. It's also happened because of the shortage of electricity. There are many reasons for load shedding. The insufficient production of electricity is the main reason of it. Misuse and illegal connection of electricity are the other reason of load shedding. Load shedding is mainly occurs at night because the demand of electricity is more than in the daytime. Load shedding is almost a daily occurrence in cities, towns and villages. Shops, factories, hospitals, etc. are all affected by it. Mills and factories are paralyzed and production is hampered for this. Even operations are stopped in hospital for load shedding. Students close their books and sit idle in darkness, but it should not be allowed to continue anymore. Our government should take necessary steps to minimize load shedding. They should set up more power stations in our country. Corruption in this sector must be uprooted with an iron hand, and that's all.
Thank you so much. Next, I am coming to Miss Nidhi. What is the main drawback in your locality?
Thanks for asking. Actually, there are many drawbacks in our locality. But the main drawback in my locality is air pollution. Actually, air pollution mainly polluted by smoke. It's happened in cities and towns. Man makes fires and fire creates smoke. When we go to school, then we use masks cause the air is polluted. We need fresh air. But by taking polluted air, we become sick. For this, we suffer from various diseases like cancer, bronchitis, and different types of respiratory disease. I think air pollution isn't only the problem in our locality, it also the problem of whole world. So, government should take proper steps to stop it.
Okay, thank you so much. Now I'm coming to Miss Majia. What is the main drawback in your locality?
Thanks for your asking. Actually, the main drawback in my locality is water pollution. Water, an important element of the human environment, is essential for human and plant life. It is next to air. Water can be polluted in many ways. First of all, farmers use chemical fertilizers and insecticide in their fields to grow more food. The rain and floods wash away some of the chemicals and they get mixed with the pond water, canal water and river water. Secondly, mills and factories can pollute water in many ways by throwing the waste materials and unsold products in the canals and rivers. Thirdly, motor launches and also sales can pollute water by throwing human waste and food waste. So fertilizer, insecticide and food waste, human waste should not be mixed with the canal water and pond water. In fine, awareness should be created in the public.
Thanks a lot. Okay, dear viewers. Meanwhile, we have known a lot on the main topic in our locality, such as load shedding, air pollution, water pollution. Actually, it's a very important topic. Government should take necessary steps to remove this problem from our locality, and we all should pay attention to develop our society as well as our country. And of course, follow the rules of becoming a good citizen. Okay, dear viewers, thank you so much for joining us. No more today. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and pardon me, please. Okay, bye.
Bye.